students, welcome you all. As you know, already we calculated the equation of the line through a given point and parallel to the given vector b. Today we will derive or find the equation of the line passing through two points. Suppose I will take a point somewhere here A and point B here. Now we have to calculate the equation of this line which is joining the point A and point B. The point A is having the position vector as A and point B having the position vector as B, having the direction in this manner. Now I will consider one more point P in the line having the coordinates x, y, z, and I will join this with origin. This is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, and this is your z-axis, and having the position vector of this point P as r vector. And also I will take the point A having the coordinates as x1, y1, z1 and B as x2, y2, z2. Let vector A and vector B be the position vector of 2 points A and B respectively that are lying on a line. Let R be the position vector of an arbitrary point P, x, y, z. Here we see that the vector AP and the vector AB both are collinear. Vector AP and vector AB. So therefore we can write vector AP is equals to lambda vector AB. Because both of them are collinear, vector AP and vector AB. So we write that vector AP is equals to lambda vector AB. From triangle law of vector addition, we write, I will take this direction of this line as in this manner. So we write the vector AP as position vector of P minus of position vector of A, or else we can apply the triangle law of vector addition to get the vector AP. Then we get vector AP is equals to vector R minus of vector A, correct? And also vector AB by applying the triangle of vector addition to the triangle AOB, or we know vector AB is equals to position vector of B minus of position vector of A. Then we get vector AB is equals to vector B minus of vector A. So substitute in this equation, we get R vector minus A vector is equals to lambda into B vector minus A vector. Or else we can write R vector is equals to minus A vector. If it comes this side, it becomes plus A vector. A vector plus lambda B vector minus A vector. This is the required equation of the line passing through two given points, this, having the position vector as A and B. Here this is the required equation of the line passing through two points A and B, having the position vector as A and B. That is R vector is equals to A vector plus lambda B vector minus A vector. This is the vector equation of the line. Now derivation of Cartesian form from vector form. So we have the vector R. Vector R is the position vector of the point P having the coordinates x, y, z. Then in vector form, position equals to xi plus yj plus zk vector. And here vector, position vector of A is the, for point A having the coordinates x1, y1, z1. Then this can be written as position vector of A is equals to x1 I vector plus y1 j vector plus z1 k vector. And B vector is equals to, this is a position vector of the point B, capital B, having the coordinates x2, y2, z2. Then this can be written as in vector form as x2 I vector plus y2 j vector plus z2 k vector. Now substitute this position vectors in this equation. We get xi plus yj plus zk is equals to x1 I vector plus y1 j vector plus z1 k vector plus lambda x2 I vector plus y2 j vector plus z2 k vector minus, here A vector is this x1 I vector plus y1 j vector plus z1 k vector. So now subtract these two vectors and adding with this vector, we get x1i plus y1j, sorry, xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector is equals to x1 plus x2 minus x1 lambda I vector. So x2 minus x1 lambda into I vector plus y1 plus lambda into y2 minus y1 j vector plus z1 plus lambda of z2 minus z1 k vector. So now comparing the coefficients of I, j and k, we get x is equals to x1 plus x2 minus x1, y is equals to y1 plus, this is lambda because into lambda if you take on this side. So x is equals to x1 plus lambda of x2 minus x1 and y is equals to lambda of y2 minus y1 and z is equals to z1 plus lambda z2 minus z1. This is the parametric equation. Now we have to eliminate the parameter lambda. We get here lambda is equals to x minus of x1 by x2 minus of x1. From here lambda is equals to y minus of y1 divided by y2 minus of y1 and lambda is equals to, from here we get z minus of z1 divided by z2 minus of z1. These all are the values of lambda. Now equating this we get x minus of x1 by x2 minus of x1 is equals to y minus of y1 by y2 minus of y1 is equals to z minus of z1 divided by z2 minus of z1 is the required equation of the line in Cartesian form. This is the required equation of the line in Cartesian form. This is the Cartesian equation of the line. This is the vector equation of the line. R is equals to a plus lambda b minus a vector, b vector minus a vector, and this is the Cartesian equation of the line which is passing through two given points, that is vector A and vector B. Example, find the vector equation for the line passing through the points -1, 0, 2 and 3, 4, 6. Let vector A and vector B be the position vectors of the point A -1, 0, 2 and B 3, 4, 6. Then we can write position vector of A as -I plus 0j plus 2k and position vector of B as 3I plus 4j plus 6k. And also we know the equation of the line passing through two given points in vector form is R vector is equals to A vector plus lambda B vector minus A vector. So substitute this, we get R vector is equals to minus I vector, 0j vector you can left, plus 2k vector because it's a 0j, plus lambda of vector B, that is 3I plus 4j plus 6k minus vector A as minus I plus 2k vector. Now subtracting these two vectors, we know vector minus I vector plus 2k vector plus lambda of 3I vector minus of minus I vector, that is 3 plus 1, 4. 4I vector plus, here j vector is not there, so 0. 4 plus 0 is again 4j vector plus 6k vector minus of 2k vector, that is 4k vector. So this is the required equation of the line passing through 2 points in vector form, where R is the position vector of any point on the line. Our next example is find the vector and Cartesian equation of the lines that passes through the origin and the point 5, -2, 3. We know what are the coordinates of the origin? 0, 0, 0. So here let vector A and vector B be the position vector of the point capital A as origin, we take it as coordinates 0, 0, 0 and capital B as 5, -2, 3. Then vector A can be written as 0I plus 0j plus 0k. 0I plus 0j plus 0k. And vector B as 5I minus 2j plus 3k. So let R be the position vector of any point on the line. Then the vector equation of the line is given by the formula R vector is equals to A vector plus lambda times of B vector minus A vector. Now substituting, we get vector A as 0I plus 0j plus 0k plus lambda B vector minus A vector. 5 minus 0 again 5I vector, minus 2 minus 0 is again minus 2j vector, 3k vector minus of 0k vector is again 3k vector. Then R vector is equals to 0I vector plus lambda times of 5I vector, you will get lambda 5I vector minus 2j vector plus 3k vector. On adding with this 0 vector, we get the required equation of the line as lambda times of 5i vector minus 2j vector plus 3k vector. This is in vector form. This is the equation of the line in vector form. And already we know the equation of the line passing through 2 points in Cartesian form is x minus of x1 by x2 minus of x1 is equals to y minus of y1 by y2 minus of y1 is equals to z minus of z1 by z2 minus of z1. Take this point as this as 0 0 0 as x1 y1 z1, this one as x2 y2 z2. Then we get x minus of 0 by 5 minus of 0 is equals to y minus of 0 by minus 2 minus 0 is equals to z minus of 0 by 3 minus of 0. This implies x by 5 is equals to y by minus 2 is equals to z by 3 is the required equation of the line in Cartesian form. Equation of the line in Cartesian form, which is passing through 2 points, 2 given points, origin and 5 comma minus 2 comma 3. Thank you.